This video is all about installing the Java Developer Kit on your computer as well as the Java Home variable. So let's move forward. First of all, you click on the Start button. In the search bar, just search command prompt. After that, open this and here write Java hyphen version. Okay, you can see that in my computer Java version 17.0.1 is already there and Java runtime environment is also there. So if in your computer it is not installed, it will show a error that no local version found or something like that. A big line will be there. So let's see how to fix that error and how to install everything. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome. In the Chrome, just search Java Oracle. After that, click on the very first link, which is www.oracle.com, and a website will open and it will look something like this. Okay, let it load. So you can see when you scroll a little bit down, you can see three options: Linux, macOS and Windows. Just click on the Windows option. After clicking on Windows, you can see there are three options: 1, 2 and 3. You have to install this second one. Sorry, download this second one, X64 installer, which is of 152 MB. Just download it. So I have already downloaded it beforehand and also installed it on my computer. So when you will download it, it will look something like this. Just double click on it and install it. The installation is pretty simple. You just have to click on next, next, next and then OK, something like that. Okay, after that, just open your this PC and click on this Windows C folder. After that, here you can see that where it is. Okay, click on this program files. In the programs files folder, you can see that there is a Java folder. So this folder will be available once you have installed that Java 17 point something. Click on this folder and you can see JDK 17.01. So it is the latest version of Java Development Kit. Open it and open bin also. After opening all these, just click here and select the path. Control C. After that, click on this search option and write edit environment variables and open this. So pop-up menu will open something like this, a pop-up box, and you can see in systems variables there are three buttons: new, edit and delete, which are not available in Windows 11. So in order to get them, what you need to do is close this, click on start button, search here control panel, open the control panel. After that, select the system option here. Where is the system? Okay, here. So once you will open the system option, you can see something like this, and on the top here you can see there is an option advanced system settings. Just click on that option and a dialog box will open something like this. Here you have to select the advanced button. Click on the advanced button and then select environment variables from here. After that, see the same menu has opened and now these three buttons, new, edit and delete, are available. After that, in the systems variable, just scroll a little bit down and you can see path option is available. Click on this path and it will open. Now you have to add the path of this that you copied. Click here, double click here and just paste it, Ctrl plus V, and press enter. So now this path is added, and now you can click OK. So your that Java 17 point, that version is done. Now you need to get the Java home variable. So in order to get the Java home variable, basically it's not required, only some apps requires that Java home variable. Then also you can set path for that Java home variable. In order to set path for that Java home variable, just click on this new button. After that, in the variable name, write you have to write everything in capital letter, Java underscore home. And in this variable value you have to copy a path. Wait, I'll tell you which path you have to copy. So click on this PC, go to this Windows C. After that, select program files, and then go to Java and click JDK. Now you don't have to click this bin button, just go till JDK and copy this path, Control C, and after that paste it here, and then click on OK. So see, Java home is added in this, and in the paths option my this Java JDK is added. So now you can click OK and close this. OK and OK. So now you are done with everything. Just close your this command prompt and wait for some time, and after that again open it. And now when you will search Java hyphen version, you will be able to see this these lines, Java version 17.01. Okay, so now you are done, and the Java development kit as well as Java home variable is installed.